A computer program is a collection of instructions performed by the computer. The path taken to execute a given program isn't always exactly known, because it can depend on many different factors, like data received from the user as well as downloaded from the internet or third-party providers, dynamic status change of individual objects, calculations during execution, errors during execution, etc. Let's imagine a very simple program where its task would be to display on screen the bigger number from two given. We see here a series of instructions which we can describe as: read two numbers. If A is bigger than B, then write A. If A isn't bigger than B, then write B. Up till now we have learned how to declare and initiate variables. We also know how to display characters or numbers. By means of control structures, we can control the program to choose a direction in which to go based on given parameters. In this case, the rhombus indicates the conditional statement.